With summer here, many people feel the urge to swim. However, installing a pool purely to enjoy the warm weather can be a significant financial challenge for many. The cost depends on the route you take, spanning all price ranges, and this guide will let you in on how. The cost of an in-ground swimming pool of various sizes and shapes will average from $35,000 to $65,000. The cost of large or fine detailed pools, of course, also significantly impacts the price. A standard pool such as 10 by 10 feet might only set you back around $17,000, while the bigger sizes of 20 by 40 feet can easily reach $70,000 or more, each depending upon features. Formative elements can easily push that price upward still further. Custom shapes and designs will raise them even more. Kind of material used in the construction of a pool also plays a vital role in costs. Of all pool types, concrete pools are the most rugged and flexible in design. They are also the most expensive, ranging from $50,000 to over $100,000. Fiberglass pools are easily installed and low maintenance but cost between $25,000 to $70,000. Vinyl liner pool installations have the least cost up front, between $20,000 and $40,000. However, the fact that every 10 years they require a new lining means it's not truly as inexpensive as you might think in the long run. They have 4 different sets of liners, which are heat welded instead of being held down with water under a vacuum to create a skimmer opening and sidewall analogy at all levels. Additions like heating systems and lighting, firewalls, or screws are still some of the additions that can jack up your final expenses. For instance, heating systems cost $2,000 to $4,000 if you purchase just one all alone. In the meantime, lighting ranges from $700 up into the $2,000 range. Multiple incurring costs for fencing are influenced by price regarding quality fabrication material. The same thing happens in America today. Its cost runs all the way everywhere from $15 to perhaps $400 per square foot. Depending on the location of the site and the needs of the site preparation, you are able to avoid extra costs. Site preparation has several components that monopolize the entire budget. Normally, excavation is the first step because it calls for the digging of all land ready for the placement of a pool using heavy machines. The cost may range from $1,000 to $5,000, depending on the size and how complex the pool shall be. If, once underground, there are rocks or other natural barriers, this brings an increase in the costs. That is why, before getting into the construction process for your pool, you must check whether you will pay for the permits or not. Most districts require a document confirming that your pool is working safely within building codes. The cost of permits can vary significantly based not only on the location, but what exact requirements are there to get one and associated fees with them. All permits must be acquired from your local building department. Another important aspect in site preparation is grading. A flat foundation is necessary to set the pool. If your backyard has slopes or irregular land, then extra testing will have to be done, and that translates into a higher cost. To keep your pool clean, you should consider buying a robotic pool cleaner, as robotic pool cleaners can make your pool maintenance easier, with less time and less money. It provides comprehensive cleaning, reducing the need for manual labor and ensuring your pool stays clean with minimal effort. Next, on the subject of financing options for pool installation funding. Home equity loans give you lower interest rates by using your home's equity. The flexibility of personal loans, on the other hand, means a higher interest rate may await you. Construction loans work well on larger remodeling jobs, such as putting in a pool. Value addition: building a pool can add significantly to your property's value, especially in warmer climates. Real estate experts reckon that a well-maintained pool can add $10,000 upwards to $100,000 to your home's eventual market value, depending on the location and features. Think about unique features and current design trends when planning your pool. Also, let's not forget saltwater systems. They are a growing trend because they have lower operating costs than traditional chlorine pools. Smart pool systems allow you to monitor and control pool features, such as lighting and heat, from a distance. Energy-saving equipment, such as variable speed pumps and solar heaters, helps cut back on your electric bills. Installation of a pool is indeed a huge investment that calls for well-planned and budgeted action. You want to know exactly what costs there are, from materials down to the act of setting up, to maintenance or hotspot repairs, if any, so that you can make a very wise decision that matches your needs and financial situation. Thank you for watching our featured video on pool costs analyzed and trends. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay updated with more trends and tips, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Your support means a lot to us.